Alright guys, so I wanted to make this video, which thank God for these 31 days, because I can just sit and talk. So I did a vlog. My vlog channel is back up and running. It's Lyric Uncut, and it was the day that I went to RJR to do the TV interview for Smile Jamaica. It was a Saturday morning, and in that vlog I said that I got a new toy, which was my new Michael Kors purse, and some of you asked me now where I got it. So I just want to address where I got it, and I want to address rewarding yourself. So I got the bag at Puzzles. It's right where I think it's called the Lane, is it Lane Plaza? You know what Rituals coffee house there? Up that side there were True Valley there. Up that side I buy it, and Puzzles there right beside Rituals. So I bought it in there. They only had one, and I bought the only one that they had. And I got it because Pommy Fitness was just doing so good. I was hella shocked that you guys, that the bells were going fast. I'm still to this day I'm just in awe, like wow, your gifts really will make room for you. So I want to address rewarding yourself. You owe it to yourself to reward yourself when you can. For your fitness goals, when you reach your fitness goal or your body goals, don't reward yourself with food. Only animals get rewarded with treats. Reward yourself with something that will last you. Like with a pair of clothing, some hair, a pair of shoes, you know, put a goal. If I lose this amount of pounds by this amount of time, I'm gonna buy my first Bridget's, or if I buy this or that, I'm gonna buy my first this. Like, set those goals, because if you keep rewarding yourself with food, like what I do, you're going to regret it in your mental one, or you're going to feel satisfied because it's the only time that you're going to eat it. But if you have no control, like I do, you're going to constantly want to reward yourself with these treats. No, these treats that we reward ourselves with are what we call bad foods, and what we say that we don't need to eat if we want to get to a certain goal. So if you're not supposed to eating it, if you want to get to a certain body goal or goal weight or fat loss weight or weight loss weight, why would you eat it as a reward? Is it something bad? Why would it be a reward if it's something bad? Makes no sense. And I keep saying bad because to me food is food. It's just food. It's not that serious. It's just food. But certain foods trigger certain things. It may be allergic. It may spike your insulin. It may bring your, you know, they react differently. Which is why I know the world, especially America, they're going vegan because they can trust nature and not so much manufactured food or processed food. The reason why food is even processed is so that it will taste better. But in order for it to taste better, they had to add some things in there that's quite not so good for the body at a certain amount. Did you know that in chocolate you have like rat hair, rat parts, certain amount of feces that is FDA approved at a certain amount? Did you know that? So in some of your foods that are FDA approved, we love to throw on this thing, it's FDA approved, it's FDA approved. Did you know that certain animal parts and animal excrements are FDA approved in certain amounts? For me, you're still eating rat poop. It's just rat poop. Think about that. And research what you're eating. Research what you're eating. Here in Jamaica, we have the luxury of growing what we eat. We have the luxury. Everybody know at least one farmer. I can say that hands down. If you're Jamaican and you know at least one farmer, raise your hand. Give me that girl emoji. If you know at least one farmer. And by farmer, I mean, you know, at least one somebody will grow something in the backyard. Either lime, cherry, raspberry, banana, yam, dasheen, coke, one. And everybody will have family or country, know somebody will have a farm. We have that luxury out here. So the food scares for us out here is not as dramatic as the ones that are in the US and that side of the world. Because in Jamaica, we promote a lot to grow what you eat. And we have been saying that for years. But it's just because this vegan thing is trending, why it is that a lot of people are very, oh, I want to be vegan, I want to be this, I want to be that, because it's trending. But we have been eating what we grow in Jamaica. So back to rewarding yourself. Don't reward yourself with food. And if you're going to reward yourself with food, reward yourself with healthy food. Healthy food. I love rewarding myself. I believe in rewarding myself because it's so difficult for me to work so hard, to can't sleep in the nights, to wake up at 4, going to the hill, going to this, coming back, going on the road, registering this, typing up that, sending off that, filming this, edit that, have Jonathan, pick up Jonathan, go for Jonathan, season the meat, cook the food. Do you mean it is, for me, I'm gonna need that reward, baby. So I'm gonna set some monies aside and I'm gonna buy something that I want. That's just me. Almost everything I have is a reward for myself. Almost everything that I have that's luxury, I reward myself. I recently got these 2 beauty blenders, the nude and the white. These are rewards for me. I rewarded myself. No, did I have any money when I bought these? Hell to the nah. I was broke. But in those reward moments, I often say YOLO. YOLO. I'm gonna get the white beauty blender and I'm gonna get the nude beauty blender. YOLO. YOLO. And this is just my philosophy. I'm not saying adopt it, but I'm just saying you owe it to yourself to reward yourself. When I see certain people rewarding themselves, it's not because we're cashy. It's because we've been working really hard, and it's okay to take time off. It's okay to go on a vacation. It's okay to just relax. Like, vacationing is not my lifestyle. Buying stuff every day is not my lifestyle. But if I'm going to be working hard, best believe I'm going to reward myself. So when I look at my Michael Kors bag, I think, where is it? Oh, it's in the living room. I think, damn, that's when Poem just completely blew up. That's when Poem by Lyric completely blew up. Listen, reward yourself any which way you want to, but I would recommend not rewarding yourself with bad foods and go the healthy route. I recommend rewarding yourself with clothes or like bags or shoes or something to that effect. Reward yourself by spending time with your family, because the reason why I had started doing the every Tuesday thing with Jonathan, if you find my Snapchat, you know, but I had started doing that because yes, I see him every single day, but I didn't go out with him. We didn't have like a mother-son day or whatever, you know. I saw him every day, but when I get, because he loves to go out, you know, whenever I bathe, mommy bathe, yes, bathe, and he must start take off him clothes, like, no Pepe, no, you're not going to bathe, mommy bathe, mommy road. I know he loves to go out. I know he loves taking the bus. Oh my gosh, he cries when he sees a bus driving off, and mommy bus gone. I'm like, Papa, no, that's not our bus, waiting on a 28, that's a 20. Oh, you know, I know he loves going out, so I do that more for me than for him, but kind of for him, but more for me, to spend time with him, because everybody's saying that as you acquaint him grow up. My battery's dying. Reward yourself, either with your family, with new clothing, with a new phone, with a new gadget, but reward yourself. Even with rest is a reward. Reward yourself, because you are worth it, and you've been working too hard to not reward yourself. I don't know who I'm talking to, but you need to rest if you need to rest. I guess I'm talking to myself here. And reward yourself when you want to reward yourself. Not talking to myself, because I do reward myself. And that's why people probably think I'm rich. That's why people think I'm rich, I'm avid, because I reward myself, you know. So that's it for this video. Another talking video. I'm kind of loving these. I don't know if you guys like them yet, because I haven't seen the comments if you like them or not. I really hope you do like them, you know. I hope you do. But that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. My classes are coming up. Tamarack, Florida. It's $595. You can register on LyricRochester.com. Each student gets a goodie bag. And I think the first thing has gone already, and they would have gotten the Dips in Elegance brush set absolutely free. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Reward yourself.